Your Erroneous Zones by Dr. Wayne Dyer. Dr. Dyer wrote, "You are the sum total of your choices." And I am just far out enough to believe that with an appropriate amount of motivation and effort, you can be anything you choose. There is only one moment in which you can experience anything, and that is now. Yet a great deal of time is thrown away by dwelling on past or future experiences. If you are happy, if you live each moment for everything it is worth, then you are an intelligent person. Once you learn that you can feel what you choose to feel, you will be on the road to intelligence. Your thoughts are your own, yours to keep, change, share. No one else can get inside your head and have your own thoughts as you experience them. You do indeed control your thoughts. Present moment living, getting in touch with your now, is at the heart of effective living. People are always blaming their circumstances for what they are. I do not believe in circumstances. The people who get on in this world are the people who get up and look for the circumstances they want. And if they can't find them, make them. Self-worth cannot be verified by others. You are worthy because you say it so. If you depend on others for your value, it is others' worth. Giving love to others is directly related to how much love you have for yourself. In fact, the happier you make yourself, the more intelligent you are. The unknown is where growth resides, both for civilization and for the individual. Robert Frost answered the question in The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. This book is about living in the moment and the importance of choice. It's all about choosing your way out of regret and worry. There are two important things you can learn from this book. You can divide people into two categories: those who love to learn and are excited to grow, and the rest who learn nothing and forget nothing. Here are some important points from the book. Number 1, you have the power to choose. Number 2, take charge of all of yourself. Number 3, love yourself. Number 4, seek your own approval. Number 5, the past does not equal the present. Number 6, guilt and worry destroy you. Number 7, become excited, explore the unknown. Number 8, challenge convention. Number 9, be aware the justice trap. Number 10, procrastination comes from fear. Number 11, declare your own independence. And number 12, anger is destructive. Thank you. Here is an explanation of all these 12 points. Number 1, you have the power to choose. Wayne Dyer wrote, you choose to be who you are, and you have the power to take charge of your thoughts and present moment. Happiness is a choice and comes from within. Dr. Dyer suggests asking yourself, how long am I going to be dead? So he asks you to take charge stance of your life. Number 2, take charge of all of yourself. Number 2, take charge of all of yourself. By controlling your thoughts, you control your emotions and the way you feel. Negative thoughts create emotion which stop you from doing what you truly want. That is, you avoid speaking your truth and expressing your feeling because you are afraid that you will offend other people. The only reason to grow is for growth's sake and not because you feel incomplete. Number 3, love yourself. Love yourself by creating positive self-image without linking it only to achievement and accomplishments. Accept compliments as a way to build a positive self image. Be aware of seeking pity and playing victim as a way of holding yourself back. Number 4, seek your own approval. Approval from others can be pleasurable and it can also control you, making you a puppet to other people with extraordinary pain and misery when others withhold their approval. Constantly seeking the approval of others gives them power and paralyzes you. You shrink yourself when you seek others' approval and you end up doing nothing. Other people's opinion don't determine your own self-worth. You can respond by saying, I respect you and I won't change my thoughts on this matter to get you to like me. Number 5, the past does not equal the present. Be aware of giving yourself self-limiting labels based on your past behavior. Stop saying, I have always been this way. I am naturally shy. I am not good at this. Possibly you tried something at young age and someone criticized, disapprove of you or label you and choose to hold on to that label or self-limiting belief. Number 6, guilt and worry destroy you. Guilt can be a guide to let you know that something you have done has negatively affected someone else. Therefore, guilt can be positive if you respond it to appropriately and choose to make appropriate amends. Learn from the mistake and correct your future behavior. Guilt can be negative when you punish yourself for years and for something over which you have now no control and cannot change. Guilt cannot change the past. Be aware of people throwing guilt at you as a way to manipulate you. Get clear about your values and standards and live by them, not by other people's values and standards. Number 7, become excited, explore the unknown. Growth is one of the 6 key emotional needs. When we say things such as I am longing for change or I need a change, we are actually saying we need and want to grow. Growth can only occur when you do something new, and the only thing stopping you is your own fear of failure. Failure is the expectation of performance that other people have created and which we have chosen to accept. Stop trying to please others. Stop thinking that performance alone determines your self-worth. Use failure as a mean to learn and grow. Challenge and expand your comfort zone now. Challenge convention. Number 8. Dr. Dyer suggests that custom be discarded if we don't believe in them or if they clash with our own values. Number 9. Be aware of the justice trap. If you are going to choose to be upset by the lack of justice in the world, ensure that there is something you can do about it. Otherwise, it is wasted energy. Number 10. Procrastination comes from fear. Procrastination comes from fear of failure, confrontation. Remember, the problem won't disappear or solve itself. Be aware of attempting to justify poor performance by procrastination. Number 11. Declare your own independence. Independence is freedom from the control, influence, support, aid. When you force or choose someone to be a dependent, submissive relation, you are controlling the other person and she will eventually resent and rebel against you. Love cannot be forced. Encourage people at home and work to find their independence and self-expression. Be aware of being a dependent and follower. Number 12. Anger is destructive. Be aware of the ways that anger can destroy you and the others around you. Be aware of using anger to blame other people for the way you feel and behave or to manipulate or guilt other people into doing what you want. Finally, remember that happiness is a choice. Choice to be happy and create your life now.